beautiful sell signal showed up today, guys, on this master indicator, allowing us to nail the exact top in this market. All right, guys and gals, let's get into it. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. And of course, if you're a long-term customer and or subscriber to the software, then I know you crushed it trading this beautiful sell-off today. All right, I'll put it to you like this, guys. If you're not convinced on today's live trading of this volume indicator color band, all right, and how powerful it can be to help you transform your trading literally on day one, okay, then you may never be convinced. All right, because every single one of my customers who takes trading seriously, we all caught this move. All right, and if I've said it once, then I've said it 1,000 times. Okay, there is no force on earth that can stop a trend when a trend is underway. You only have two options, right? You either get on board that trend and trade with the direction of the market, or you get run over like a freight train. Okay, so let's get into the anatomy of what I consider to be the most perfect trading setup of all time. And look, if you can master this chart pattern that I'm about to show you, then I feel really confident that you'll be able to change your trading technical analysis in literally one day. Okay, so what are you looking at on the screen right now? Well, what you're seeing on the screen is our proprietary volume-based indicator profile. That's what this green and red color band is. All right, it can detect volume flushes. When it's green, it tells you that the volume is on the bias to the long side, aka the buyers are in control. And of course, when it's red, it tells you that the trading bias is to the short side, meaning that the sellers are in control. But of course, that's not enough, right? We want to know more. Okay, first of all, it's great. It's great that we can identify the trend change, right? You can see here the volume color band changed from green into red at this exact moment in time. Fantastic. From this point in time, our bias is to the short side. We're looking for opportunities to sell this market. But how do we do it, right? Well, I'm going to show you the #1 chart pattern that I teach all of my customers and clients every day, and my people are crushing it. All right, and the good news for you is you don't need to be an astrophysicist. You don't need to have 6 degrees in applied mathematics. I think anybody can master this technique. Watch. When the color changes, all right, so when you see that trend change, you first want to see some momentum in that direction, aka let the market prove to you that the move is real. Okay, but then we want to see the market come back up, aka retrace, aka giving us the pullback that we so badly want to see, right? I desperately want to see retracements. This is the only pattern that I look for, guys and gals. Why? Because it works. All right, this is the retracement right here. It's underway. Okay, when you see the market coming back up to you, aka up to the red color band, this is now your time to shine. Okay, because when you see this happening, you're looking for only one set of criteria to be true. And that is you're waiting for a red reversal bar to close against the red color band. The high of that bar's got to be above the band. And when you see this simple set of conditions being true, kaboom! This is your opportunity to sell short this market. All right. And if you have any doubts on how powerful and, in my humble opinion, how profitable a trend trading strategy or a trend trading indicator can actually be, then take a look at this move. Look how long this trend stayed short. Guys, this was 1,000 ticks. Okay, straight down. And this volume indicator was red all the way. Shame on anybody who tried to buy this market or go long when this thing was so obviously red, right? And when I said that we caught the exact top, I'm not joking, right? Because if you missed this setup right here, you basically missed one of the best trades of the entire year. Okay, big congratulations to all my clients and customers who crushed it today, especially those of you guys and gals that are still somewhat new to the system. I told you and I warned you that nothing can stop a trend when it starts. Nothing. Okay, and this volume indicator, what I like to call the master indicator, continues to crush it on a daily basis, and I cannot wait to see if we're going to get more of this type of trend tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.